Have you ever stopped for a moment and wondered, why is it that some people seem to attract prosperity so effortlessly, while others work endlessly and still feel stuck in the same place? It's not luck. It's not coincidence. It's energy. Because everything that exists, everything you can see, touch, or imagine, is made of pure, vibrating energy. And energy is magnetic. It draws toward itself what matches its frequency. Your thoughts, your emotions, your beliefs. They are not just invisible things happening in your mind. They are waves of energy that shape your reality. So if you want to attract prosperity, you must first become prosperity. Not in material form yet, but in energy, in vibration, in the invisible field of creation.
Take a deep breath.
Close your eyes for a moment. Ask yourself, what kind of energy am I sending into the universe each day? Do I wake up with thoughts of fear, worry, and doubt? Or do I wake up with gratitude, peace, and expectation of blessings? Because the universe doesn't respond to what you say you want. It responds to what you vibrate. If your energy is trapped in fear or scarcity, you're unintentionally attracting situations that match that vibration. But when your heart vibrates in faith and gratitude, you start attracting opportunities, people, and moments that carry the same light. The first key is simple but powerful. Become aware of your energy and choose to shift it. Your words are energy. Every word you speak carries vibration, and that vibration becomes creation. When you say things like, "I'll never have enough," or "It's always hard for me," you reinforce that belief in your subconscious mind, and the universe mirrors it back to you. But when you speak words of abundance, you send out a completely different signal. Say it with faith. Money flows easily to me. I am surrounded by opportunities. I am a magnet for success and prosperity. I am grateful for the blessings that are already on their way. Every time you speak these words, you are not just saying affirmations. You are tuning your vibration to abundance. Words are spiritual instruments. Use them with purpose. Energy loves movement. When you act with faith, even if you don't yet see the full path, you set energy in motion. Inspired action is not about forcing things. It's about listening to that inner whisper, that gentle nudge from the divine that says, "This is the way. Take the step." When you follow those inner callings, you begin to align with what I call divine flow. And in divine flow, life feels lighter. Doors open naturally. People appear at the right moment. Resources find you. That's the universe responding to your aligned energy. So trust that guidance. Follow it, even when it feels uncertain, because faith is the bridge between where you are and where abundance lives. Gratitude is the highest frequency in the universe. It tells God, "I already trust you. I already believe." When you thank God for blessings that haven't yet arrived, you activate a powerful spiritual law. You attract what you already feel grateful for. Wake up every morning and say, "Thank you, God, for my health. Thank you for my peace. Thank you for the abundance that's already flowing into my life." And mean it. Feel it. Because when your heart is filled with gratitude, fear disappears and prosperity begins to grow naturally. Sometimes we block abundance by trying too hard to control everything. We hold on to fear, to old stories, to expectations of how things should happen. But true manifestation happens when you let go, not of your dreams, but of the resistance. When you release the need to control, you create space for divine energy to work in your favor. So breathe, trust, and allow life to unfold in perfect timing. Remember this truth. You don't have to chase prosperity. You don't have to beg for it. You only have to become it. When your thoughts, emotions, and actions align with the vibration of abundance, prosperity becomes your natural state. Because the universe is not against you. It's waiting for you to vibrate in harmony with it. So from this moment on, decide to shift your energy. Decide to live in faith, gratitude, and purpose. And watch how your life begins to change, not through force, but through divine alignment. You are energy. You are light. You are creation. And prosperity is not something you find, it's something you become. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and slowly let it go. Again, breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, feel your body becoming lighter, calmer still. Now, place your hand over your heart. Feel the gentle rhythm of your heartbeat, the sound of life flowing through you. In this moment, there is nothing missing. You are safe. You are guided. You are surrounded by divine energy. Visualize a golden light above your head, soft, warm, radiant. This is the energy of abundance. It begins to flow gently down into your body, through your mind, your heart, your hands. With every breath, the golden light expands. It fills every cell of your being with peace, gratitude, and prosperity. Now silently repeat after me. I am open to receive divine abundance. I am aligned with the energy of prosperity. Everything I need is flowing to me with ease and grace. I am thankful for the blessings that are already on their way. Let these words sink into your heart. Feel them as truth. You are not chasing prosperity. You are becoming it. Stay in this golden light for a few moments. Breathe it in and let it fill you completely. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back. Smile softly and whisper to yourself, I am abundant. I am blessed. I am one with divine energy. Take a moment to hold this feeling of peace and abundance within you. Remember, prosperity is not something you have to run after. It's something you become when your heart, your thoughts, and your energy align with gratitude and faith. Every single day, you have the power to shift your vibration, to move from fear to trust, from lack to abundance, from doubt to divine flow. So as you go forward, walk in that light. Speak life into your dreams, and let your energy be the magnet that draws every blessing you deserve. If this message touched your heart, I invite you to share it with someone who needs this reminder today. Leave a comment below and tell me what abundance means to you. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to Universe and Me for more reflections, prayers, and meditations that help you connect with divine energy every day. Thank you for being here. May Universe bless your path with peace, love, and overflowing prosperity.